Welcome back to Jersey Matters. I'm Larry Menti. It was recently suggested by Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell that states that are having a hard time might consider filing for bankruptcy. Is that a good idea? Jersey Matters' Veronica Dudo takes a closer look.
Congress and President Trump have enacted a series of massive bills in an effort to bolster the healthcare response to the global coronavirus pandemic and help rescue the economy. Now, several cash-strapped states like New York and New Jersey are struggling. Recently, Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell said states might be better off declaring bankruptcy than expecting additional funding from the federal government. But Diego Rivera, an economics professor at American University, says it's not so easy.
As of right now, states cannot declare bankruptcy legally, right? Cities and municipalities can. Three things that would need to happen for states to be able to file for bankruptcy. Congress would need to allow it. States would also need to amend laws in order to allow it. So right now, many states don't have those laws in place. And the Supreme Court would have to also weigh in.
And if that doesn't work,
the state governments would need to find another way to finance those services. As of right now, they're looking for options.
Several states are facing major budget shortfalls, which could impact essential workers.
If they run out of money, we are looking at appealing maybe to the goodwill of those workers to keep working without pay. Imagine cities and municipalities not having the money to pay for garbage removal. We would have a double whammy on a sanitary emergency.
While short-term problems are already being felt amid the COVID-19 pandemic, its full impact on the American economy remains to be seen.
Our economy is in the hospital. Right? And what we do today and how we manage this today is going to determine whether we come out of the hospital walking or we come out of the hospital on a wheelchair. This might take us to a wheelchair, right? It'll be much harder to generate the jobs again that we're losing. People won't have those jobs to go back to. This will really sort of tank us. And it would just mean that the recovery will be prolonged for much longer.
Reporting for Jersey Matters, I'm Veronica Dudo.
All right, thanks a lot, Veronica. When we come right back, what are you going to do if you get injured during the pandemic? And most importantly, how can you keep yourself safe? We'll talk about both those things when Jersey Matters continues.